Alibaba just dropped a model family that could totally change how you think about AI costs. It's called Qwen 3.5, and trust me, the numbers are mind-blowing. So let's set the scene. On February 16th, Chinese New Year's Day, Alibaba's Qwen team unveiled their flagship model, a whopping 397 billion parameter beast. Pretty impressive, right? But what came next was even wilder. Just a week later, on February 24th, they rolled out the Medium series. And here's where it gets really exciting. The star of the show? It's the Qwen 3.5 35B A3B. That A3B is the game changer. It means this model has 35 billion total parameters, but only activates 3 billion for any given token. It uses a mixture of experts architecture with 256 experts, routing each token to just 8 of them. Pretty wild, huh? Now, why does this matter? Well, this model, with just 3 billion active parameters, actually beats Claude Sonnet 4.5 on multilingual knowledge benchmarks. It even outperforms GPT-5 Mini. And get this, it surpasses Alibaba's own previous model, the Qwen3 235B, which had 22 billion active parameters. A model with 3 billion active parameters beating one with 22 billion? That's not just a small improvement. That's an architectural breakthrough. But here's the practical part. With 4-bit quantization, this model fits on a single GPU with 32 gigabytes of VRAM. Think RTX 4090, a consumer card you can snag for under $2,000. And at that quantization level, it handles over 1 million tokens of context. You could literally feed it an entire code base. And the cost? Get this, $0 per token, forever. It's Apache 2.0 licensed, so you can use it for full commercial use, fine-tuning, redistribution, whatever you want. Now, let's compare that to the alternatives. Claude Sonnet 4.5 costs $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens. If you're running agentic workflows processing millions of tokens daily, you're looking at hundreds of dollars every single day. But with Qwen 3.5 self-hosted, you're just paying for your electricity bill. And if self-hosting isn't your thing, Alibaba's Flash API, the production-hosted version of this model, charges just 10 cents per million input tokens. That's 36 times cheaper than Sonnet 4.5. But wait, the Medium series isn't the whole story. Today, March 2nd, Alibaba completed the lineup with the Small series. 4 tiny models ranging from 0.8 billion to 9 billion parameters. And these aren't just smaller versions, they're natively multimodal, handling text, images, and video from the same weights. No need for a bolted-on vision adapter. The 9 billion parameter model is the headliner here. It beats the previous generation Qwen 330B on most benchmarks, a model 3 times its size. It even outperforms OpenAI's GPT-OSS 120B on graduate-level reasoning, despite being 13 times smaller. And when it comes to visual reasoning, it beats GPT-5 Nano by 13 points. So what's behind all this? It's a combo of 2 innovations. First, mixture of experts for parameter efficiency. Second, gated delta networks, a form of linear attention that has constant memory complexity. That's what allows these massive context windows even on tiny models. The 0.8 billion parameter model supports a staggering 262,000 tokens of context on a phone. So what does this mean for you as a developer? If you're building agentic AI systems and paying per token for Claude or GPT, you now have a real alternative. Qwen 3.5 35B A3B handles tool calling natively, no prompt engineering hacks needed. It understands function schemas, plans multi-step workflows, and chains tool calls together. It's basically a drop-in replacement for OpenAI-compatible function calling. The models are available right now on Hugging Face and ModelScope. You can serve them with VLLM, Llama.cpp, or plain transformers. The community is already building quantized versions and adapters. Is it perfect? No, not quite. Benchmarks don't always translate to real-world performance. MoMoE models do need more total VRAM than dense equivalents, even if they're faster. And sure, some enterprises might have concerns about using Chinese origin models. But the performance per dollar ratio? That's undeniable. This is the open-source AI moment we've all been waiting for. Frontier-level intelligence, running locally for free. Check out the full breakdown with benchmarks, hardware requirements, and code examples at thinksmart.life.